are going to explore Ujjayi, or ocean breath, if you want to call it that, maybe a slow, natural breath that uses a slight contraction in the back of the throat, almost like you're trying to speak, but you're not quite doing that, or whispering. So here's how it goes. It's a direction of the breath really to the back of the throat, to the soft palate, doing that slight contraction. One of the ways you might think of it is on the inhale, making an ooh sound, like if you were going to make an ooh sound with your mouth, but with your mouth closed. And so very gently. You're not really making the ooh, it's just sort of that shape. Light sound. Most of the sound you will hear inside your own head. This is a very gently stimulating practice and can be layered on a lot of other practices. And you can use it throughout your entire physical yoga practice as well. So give that a try for a few rounds of breath.